If your Lucidchart download is failing, giving you an error, or just refusing to export, don't worry because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you should be able to download your Lucidchart file without the headache. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's start with the quickest fix first, which is using an incognito or private window. Sometimes browser extensions, saved cache, or old session data can interfere with the download process. So open Lucidchart in your normal browser, make sure you're signed in, and then click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. In Chrome, Edge, or Brave, choose New Incognito Window. If you're on another browser, look for New Private Window. Once that window opens, sign into Lucidchart again and try downloading your document one more time. A lot of the time, this alone clears up the issue because it gives you a clean session with no conflicting browser data. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your document title. Believe it or not, special characters in the file name can sometimes cause export problems. Characters like slashes, commas, asterisks, ampersands, or other unusual symbols can confuse the download process. To fix that, open your document in Lucidchart and click the title in the top left corner. Rename it using only basic letters and the numbers. Keep it simple, clean, and easy to process. After renaming, try the download again and see if the error is gone. Now let's move to the next fix, which is disabling infinite canvas. If your document is huge, stretched out, or heavily zoomed, Lucidchart may struggle to process the export correctly. To change this, go to File, then Settings, and open Document Settings. Look for the Canvas and the Page section and turn off Infinite Canvas. This creates a fixed boundary for the document, which can make it much easier for the system to generate the download. After changing that setting, go back and try exporting again. Another very useful fix is changing the export format or lowering the quality. Sometimes a high-resolution PDF is simply too heavy and times out during export. Instead, go to File, then Export, and try a different format like PNG or JPEG. If you still need a PDF, lower the resolution from high to medium so the file is smaller and easier for the system to process. This is especially helpful if your diagram has a lot of shapes, layers, or images. A smaller export often succeeds where the larger one fails. If your Lucidchart file is still not downloading, the problem may be the size or complexity of the document itself. Very large files with many pages or high-resolution images can exceed processing limits. In that case, go to the Lucidchart Documents page, right-click the file, and choose Duplicate. Then open the duplicate and remove any unnecessary elements, especially large images or content you do not need for the export. You can also break the document into smaller sections or separate pages. Once the file is lighter and simpler, try exporting again. So to quickly recap, if you're getting a Lucidchart download error, try these in order. Use an incognito window, simplify the document title, turn off infinite canvas, lower the export quality or switch formats, and clean up or split large documents. One of these fixes usually solves the issue. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.